Learn Gujarati greetings. Good morning to good night with
Suprabhat
and
Shubh Ratri.
welcome to your greeting adventure. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Gujarati greetings, and yes, we are doing it with style, tiny jokes, and dramatic time of day energy. By the end, you will be able to greet people from sunrise to bedtime. Imagine one very enthusiastic day. At sunrise, the sun stretches and says,
Suprabhat.
After lunch, a sleepy sandwich wakes up and says,
Shubh Bapor.
In the middle of the day, a polite parrot folds imaginary hands and says,
Namaste.
At sunset, even the moon clears its throat and says,
Shubh Sanj.
Then at bedtime, the pillow whispers,
Shubh Ratri.
Congratulations, your whole day now speaks Gujarati. Morning, noon, and the polite middle. Let's walk through the day step by step so your brain can hang each greeting on the right hour. Nice and easy. When the day begins, say good morning.
Suprabhat.
Picture opening a window and greeting the world before your coffee has permission to judge you. When it is afternoon, say good afternoon.
Shubh Bapor.
This is your post-lunch, still trying to be productive greeting. For a polite general good day greeting, use
Namaste.
This works beautifully when you want to sound warm, respectful, and like a person who definitely remembers birthdays. Evening and nightfall. Now let the daylight fade a little. You only need 2 more greetings to finish the day like a champion. At sunset or in the evening, say good evening.
Shubh Sanj.
Imagine arriving at a home where the lights are on and the tea is ready. Before sleep, say good night.
Shubh Ratri.
This is soft, calm, and perfect for ending the day, unlike your brain remembering embarrassing things from 2014. Tiny dialogue, big confidence. Now hear the greetings in a mini story. Just listen once, then repeat if you want. Morning scene. A friend opens the door and says,
Suprabhat.
You smile and answer,
Suprabhat.
Later, you walk into the office after lunch. Someone waves and says,
Shubh Bapor.
You reply,
Shubh Bapor.
You meet a neighbor in the street. With polite warmth, you say,
Namaste.
The neighbor smiles and says,
Namaste.
In the evening, you arrive at a family dinner. The host says,
Shubh Sanj.
You answer,
Shubh Sanj.
At night, everyone yawns. Someone says,
Shubh Ratri.
You answer gently,
Shubh Ratri.
Quick memory tricks. Here comes the sneaky part, memory hooks. These make the words stick, like a song you did not ask for but now know forever. Think of
Suprabhat
as the sunrise word, bright sky, fresh air, new day. Think of
Shubh Bapor
as the lunchtime word, plates, tea, sunlight, and one person pretending they are not sleepy. Think of
Namaste
with folded hands and a respectful smile. Think of
Shubh Sanj
with orange sunset colors. Think of
Shubh Ratri
with stars, blankets, and a pillow that deserves a salary. Your fun quiz. Time for a fast review. I ask, you answer. If you get one wrong, no drama, your sandwich still believes in you. How do you say good morning in Gujarati?
Suprabhat.
How do you say good afternoon in Gujarati?
Shubh Bapor.
How do you say good day in Gujarati?
Namaste.
How do you say good evening in Gujarati?
Shubh Sanj.
How do you say good night in Gujarati?
Shubh Ratri.
One last challenge. You are ready for the full day challenge. Repeat the sequence with me and feel extremely accomplished. Sunrise.
Suprabhat.
Afternoon.
Shubh Bapor.
Polite good day.
नमस्ते.
Evening.
शुभ सांझ.
Bedtime.
शुभ रात्रि.
If you said them all, your imaginary Gujarati parrot is very proud of you. Friendly goodbye. You did great today. Seriously, that was a whole day of Gujarati in just a few minutes. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
सुप्रभात. शुभ बपोर. नमस्ते. शुभ सांझ.
And
शुभ रात्रि.
out loud. Try using one today, one this evening, and one before bed. You are building real language skills, one greeting at a time.